Hello learners, welcome to 3LOKBABA YouTube channel. My name is Trilok. Today we are going to learn a different concept in MS Excel, which is COUNTIF and SUMIF. Basically, these two functions are related to the statistical functions. So when you want to analyze data by using statistical tools, basically we use COUNTIF and SUMIF. Now let's try to understand what is meant by COUNTIF and what is meant by a SUMIF. COUNTIF. Let's try to segregate these terms, count and if. Count is used to count the number of cells in a particular range. If is used to when you're having any conditional statements or any arguments to pass a true or false. In that case, we use if. If you combine these both, count and if, what it is going to do? It is going to count the number of cells in a range within a condition. If you want to count within a conditions, in that case, we will be using the COUNTIF. COUNTIF function counts the number of cells in a range that meets a given criteria. Let's try to see the syntax of the COUNTIF. Very simple. Equals to COUNTIF and range and criteria. Range is, so in which column you are looking for to count the data. Let's try to understand with an example. The example, we have an example, beautiful example. So we have a couple of products which are pen, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Now from this column, I would like to see how many pens are available. My query is very simple. How many pens are available in the following table? So by using this COUNTIF function, I can calculate there are 3 pens are available in this column. Now we can see here. So I would like to check the manually here. So there is a 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 pens are available in this particular column. By using COUNTIF function, you can count the number of cells in a particular range within a condition. Right? This is all about a COUNTIF function. So we have an example to understand how COUNTIF function works. The example is very simple. So we have a condition here. The condition is we have to find how many employees selling more than 20,000 units in quarter 1. It means the condition is very simple. You are just going to check how many people are selling more than 20,000 units. By using COUNTIF function, we are going to see how many people are selling more than 20,000 units. Let's see. Equals to COUNTIF, open bracket, and let's follow the syntax. Syntax is range. In which range you are looking? I am looking in this range, which is C6 to C14, comma, and here my criteria, which means a condition. My condition is very simple. Who is earning more than or who is selling more than 20,000 units? It is greater than 20,000 units, and close the double quotes and close the bracket and enter. Now we can see there are 4 people, those who are earning more than 20,000. We can see here there is a person 1, 2, 3 and 4. These people are earning more than 20,000. Now let's see in the opposite way. So I want to see how many people are selling less than 20,000 units. Very simple. Equals to COUNTIF, open bracket, select the range, comma, and my criteria, which is less than 20,000 units, and close the quotes and close the bracket, enter. So there are 5 people, those who are selling less than 20,000 units. We can see here 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is matching. Exactly, it is matching. So this is how we need to calculate. This is how we have to use the COUNTIF function. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, 3LOKBABA.